Better sleep, better mind, better you. That's not just a slogan, that's a mission. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sheth, CEO and founder of Neuroscience, and I'm here to talk about a breakthrough in brain health, a personalized, non-invasive neuromodulation therapy that enhances deep sleep to minimize dementia risk and improve cognitive decline. Dementia is one of the biggest health crises of our times. Consider this: over 10 million seniors in US alone suffer from mild cognitive impairment, a condition that often precedes dementia. Current treatment options are extremely limited. Only 2 FDA-approved drugs exist today, but they come with astronomical costs and significant side effects. On the other hand, research has shown that deep sleep is critical for brain health, and it's during this deep sleep that our brain flushes out harmful neurotoxins such as amyloid beta and tau protein, which are closely linked to dementia. Unfortunately, as we age, our deep sleep declines by about 1% every year. And numerous research studies have shown, including this groundbreaking JAMA Neurology article, that a 1% decline in deep sleep increases the dementia risk by over 27%. Despite this clear link, there are no FDA-approved therapy that targets and improves deep sleep. This is where Neuroscience comes in. At Neuroscience, our foundation is based on scientific, rigorous validation. We started off with high-density EEG, over 250 sensors distributed over the whole head, coupled with precision high-resolution head models that are derived from individuals' own MRIs and CT scans. And we use this information to map precisely the sources of these deep sleep slow wave oscillations. We then said, well, let's simplify this approach by identifying a few most optimal electrode positions on a simple wearable headband that can be clinically scaled such that we can target more precisely these deep sleep networks using non-invasive transcranial electrical neuromodulation. And using this approach, we were able to show significant extension of deep sleep in healthy young adults. These findings were published in a peer-reviewed sleep medicine journal by our team a couple of years ago. And these results, in addition to a successful phase 1 trial, provided the foundation for our ongoing multi-center phase 2 trial, where our Sleep Wisp product is deployed in seniors with mild cognitive impairment. This trial is funded by National Institutes of Aging, as it aligns very well with their priorities. And the goal of this trial is very simple: show that extension of deep sleep through our Sleep Wisp product reduces cognitive decline. As part of this trial, we're also objectively measuring amyloid and tau protein that are closely linked to dementia for objective validation. If successful, this won't just be a new medical device product. This will be a new standard of care. Of Neuroscience innovation is our Sleep Wisp product, which is world's first self-administered, non-invasive, personalized neuromodulation platform that enhances deep sleep and clears harmful neurotoxins from the brain, such as amyloid beta and tau protein that are closely linked to dementia. At the core, Sleep Wisp is a simple wearable headband that users can self-apply in the comfort of their own home. And this headband consists of few EEG sensors that are strategically distributed over the head, and it monitors a person's sleep pattern in real time. And just at the right time and the right location, our AI-driven algorithm applies gentle electrical stimulation to nudge the brain into deeper, more restorative sleep. And that's where the magic happens. That's where the neurotoxins are flushed out from the brain. For deeper insights, we also offer HD EEG. And to ensure long-term success, our virtual sleep coach, a digital health app, delivers personalized insights, optimizing user sleep and behavioral patterns to sustain improvements. This integrated ecosystem approach, diagnosis, therapy, and coaching positions Neuroscience to be the first precision sleep medicine company for brain health. Now let's delve a little bit deeper into the unique value proposition of our Sleep Wisp product. Unlike the two FDA-approved drugs that exist today, which come with significant financial burden, side effects, and require monthly hospital visits for IV infusion, our non-invasive therapy can be easily self-administered in the comfort of one's home. It's extremely affordable, and it's personalized in nature, which means every user gets precisely the therapy they need at the right time to maximize the clearance of neurotoxins. At Neuroscience, our goal is to be the first FDA-approved medical device therapy for dementia prevention. The market opportunity is enormous here. Dementia is a $600 billion market opportunity by 2030, and yet there are no FDA-approved non-drug interventions. At Neuroscience, we're taking a clinical pathway with FDA approval. Our go-to-market strategy is very clear. We've already accomplished the phase 1, which involved rigorous scientific validation and proactive KOL management, which then sets us up very nicely for our ongoing multi-center phase 2 trial for Sleep Wisp product in mild cognitive impairment and subsequent FDA clearance and commercialization as a medical device, positioning us for enormous scaling opportunities and reimbursement from insurers. Our incredible team has already delivered significant milestones over the last several months. We've secured FDA approval for one of our software products just a couple of months ago that allows physicians to precisely localize the activity inside the brain. We also are expecting FDA clearance for our NEAT sleep scoring algorithm next month. And we're very excited about this because this is a core part of our Sleep Wisp product. Going forward, we plan to raise $5 million in seed funding, which will allow us to double down on our MCI trial for Sleep Wisp, as well as secure FDA device breakthrough designation. From 2027 onwards, our goal is to secure Series A and Series B rounds through which we aim to expand our reach in the market by scaling our operations, by expanding our sales and marketing channels, of course, getting FDA approval and reimbursements as part of our evidence collection, which will position us nicely to deliver 25,000 Sleep Wisps annually by 2031. And that will put us in a great position to achieve revenues in excess of $150 million by 2031. Our team is comprised of visionary neuroscientists and seasoned medical device executives that have successfully built a thriving neurodiagnostic companies in the past, which was acquired by Philips in 2017. Through our previous company, we also have experience taking the company public through an IPO route. But more importantly, we work with many key opinion leaders across the industry, such as Dr. Ruth Benka at Wake Forest University, and many other centers across the US. And these centers are already using our technology, and they Sleep Wisp, not just for dementia care, but many other applications, such as Parkinson's, ADHD, depression, and the list goes on. Sleep Wisp represents a major paradigm shift in dementia care. With a funding goal of $5 million, we aim to secure FDA device breakthrough designation and double down on our MCI trial. Ultimately, get in a position to improve lives of millions of seniors. With that, I thank you for your time and attention, and I look forward to collaborating and connecting with folks to change the future of aging and brain health. Thank you.